Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So we are currently under an ice storm warning. If you haven't heard from the news, there you might be seeing that there is a ice storm issued for our area. It's also issued for other areas. So we are getting a lot of ice. I am out of school. Desoto County schools are out. Right, out. And if you might have heard, this is yeah, that's a big ice storm. Well, it's not really big, but we are getting close to it. So yeah, hope y'all have a nice day and hope you survive the ice storm.